Hey, what's up guys, Sora4239 here, and I'm going to play White Noise. It's 8:44 Thursday, 2013. Remember my name. So, let's do... Alright. What? That's awesome. Alright. So this is basically like Slender, only for Xbox 360. It's White Noise. I don't know how much it is. I got it for free. What? Oh, here. So basically, this is a video, and all the other ones that I will probably be doing on this, just like, please, everybody that watches this, please tell me if I should do more, if you like it, anything like that. Mostly what I'm going to be doing is being scared out of my mind. Okay, come on. Alright, so basically, it's like Slender, but instead, you have to collect these and you're running away from that thing! So, I turned off my lights, as usual. Turned my volume down, so I don't have to listen to it. This is online, so I will probably be doing it with Chaseman and this guy named TFW Man. He is a YouTube guy, 200 subscribers. Holy mother of God. And, oh, what? What? No. Please, no. Am I running towards a green stuff? What's it? No. Stop it. Please. Stop it. Please. Stop it. Stop it, please. This video, I don't want it to be... 2 minutes. Okay, just leave me alone. Please. Pretty please. Pretty please. With sprinkles on top. I'll give you like $30 if you don't bother me. Okay? $30. $30. It's my final offer. You must have taken the money. Oh, cool. What a nice guy. I'm sure no other YouTuber's probably done this. Well, I mean, I don't know. But still, makes me unique. Wow, the freaking recording's actually going really... Oh! That was awful. Oh, what? That's not fair. What? Okay, this is not cool. What? Okay, hang on. Okay, not back there. If I die, it's all you guys' fault. Okay, come on. Safety house. Safety house. Get into the safety house. Oh my god! I heard him. You can hear him? Please don't hurt me. I told you I would give you money. Please. Don't hurt me. That little thing in the bottom. Oh, it's a piece of paper. If this was Slender, that would be helpful. Okay. I'm not safe. Definitely not. I don't know. I might just cower away inside this building for a bit. Does it ever become daytime? I mean, like, really. So, if I die because of you guys just bothering me, stop talking. Stop laughing. If you're laughing. If you're not laughing, you guys are not enjoying this. I don't know why anybody would not enjoy watching somebody get their, like, pants scared off by a faceless demon monster from Hades. Oh no! No! That thing kills you. Oh! Oh my god! Holy... Oh, what? That's not fair. Crap! I'm trapped. A demon spawn. Little baby with bloody eyeballs. Okay. Run, 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 run. Crap, I can hear it again. What? What? What the crap? There's not even another player in here. Who's this guy? What the crap is this guy? What? It's just a random other. Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Let me in. Freaking blue guy! What are you doing? Just standing there. Look at him, he's glowy. Wish I could jump. Sorry, I'm scared. I'm waiting for the demon spawn to go away. Okay, he's gone. Oh! I was wrong. I was terribly wrong. He's not away. I've gotten, what, 2? And he's still chasing me? Oh, no. Crap. I'm looking at the camera screen, so I don't know what's going on. Alright. What the heck is that guy? Oh, God. He's right there. You see him behind that tree? What? What? Oh, my God. I just heard somebody die. What? Not fair. 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 Fair not. Fair not. Fair not. Oh my god! Oh my god! He's right there. 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 No! 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 I swear to God, if I'm trapped. I'm trapped. Am I good? Oh god, he's right next to the green thing. Shouldn't he die by that? Run, 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 run. Why am I getting blurry? What's going on? Okay, okay. Where's the ghost guy? Thought it was my friend. I'm scared. I kind of want to commit suicide. Like, not in real life, but in the game. I want him to... Dragons! Oh crap, he teleported. You can tell because of the lag. This game's... Okay, it's okay. It's okay. Sad. Oh, it's a dragon. I think I lost him. Oh god. Oh my god. I'm gonna die. This is 8 minutes I've survived right now. Oh, this video is gonna have to be like 15 or 10 minutes long because I'm kinda getting tired and I wanna record a lot of videos tomorrow. I can promise you all that. I'll upload this one tonight. So tomorrow I will download like 10 maybe. I don't know, but I'm sure everyone will like it. I don't know. I don't even know if anybody watches these. That thing's creep. You know what? Frick this. I want to show you guys another map, so I'm just gonna look at him. How's it gone? So that's the creature. You are dead. Let's see how far I got. Good game, good game. I committed suicide. So, here. In memory of Sora4239. Distance walked. Screams. What? I screamed way more than 3 times. I swear to God. Let's see a replay, shall we? I'm pretty sure I've walked a lot. Every time I picked up a puzzle piece, I got scared. No? What? Oh, yep, I did. Oh yeah, that was when I kept getting stuck. It's funny watching this. Look how far I went. No, I could have kept going. Every time I slowed down, I got scared. I actually went a long way. I kept thinking I went around in circles. I don't know, maybe I should play... I don't know how you unlock characters. There are 2 invisible people? I get it. I'll try to scare him instead of him scaring me. Or it. Let's see if we can survive as long as physically possible. Okay, flashlight. Whoa, what? I've never been here. Whoa, this place is awesome. I've actually never been on this map. I think I would have remembered the trees. It's just, the thing that is that it's a creepy atmosphere, and also it goes, damn, whenever you get scared. Like, whenever you see him, it goes, damn! So it, like, scares the crap out of you. Oh, of course, there's, like, a trail. I think there's always a trail, but I just never look at it. Follow my ears. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, yeah, I've been here. I don't know what's up with these palm trees. I don't remember them. So, apparently, yeah, I've been on this map before. Actually, the palm trees make it a bit more soothing than the other maps. I don't know what it is. I'm not really that scared as I normally would be. I swear, I was expecting him to scare the crap out of me right when I said that. Oh, frick. I didn't say crap. Sorry. Oh, crap. It's funnier when you say crap. Crap just went down, bro. What's up with all these weird rocks? I like this tree. Give me a hug, tree. Come on. I want a hug. All I want is a hug, mammy. What? Dude, no way. They just added all the stuff from the other maps onto this one map. The sand also makes it more soothing. What? Whoa! Did I accidentally choose St. Maria? Crap, I think I chose the wrong map. Ooh, fingerprints. I won't be able to do another map because it's supposed to be only 15 minutes long. It's a couple seconds till 15 minutes long. I need to go to sleep early so I can stay up way later. Like, you know. I don't know. Sounds weird, doesn't it? I think it does too. Although I guess I could stay up later tonight and just sleep in class. I don't know. What's that? Oh! Oh my god, I almost just walked into that. Jeez. It's creepy. What? I haven't seen him once. He's even on this island. I've also not found a single one of the recorders. They just went around in a giant circle. This is a really nice place, actually. I want to live here. Can I live here? Yeah, why not? Yeah. I was expecting a jump scare, so. Ooh, road signs. Roadside assistance. What is that? Please don't hurt me. Please. What? Ooh. This isn't creepy at all. I don't know. Are you kidding? Right next to the road sign. That doesn't even have anything on it. It's really weird looking. What's up with this place? There's like... He's not even here. Okay, he's probably around this corner. Oh wait, does he not appear until you get your first recorder? I could have swore, like, my friend and I barely ever get recorders. What? That's just running into a tree. So, it can't be a freaking case. I don't know, maybe he got off on the wrong boat. He's on a different island. Well, this is a boring part. I gotta end it soon. Why am I breathing so heavily? Whoa! This is the perfect place to pause it. Well, guys, yeah, thanks for watching, and, dang, son. I'll see you next time. Let me know if you want to see more of this. Please tell your friends about me, because it's kind of, my channel's kind of getting desolate like this island. It's actually almost as empty, except for those giant windmills. I bet they're more popular than me. So, yeah. I gotta pause it, but I don't want to. Just let me check this out. What? High five, dude. High five. Here, if there's a recorder over here, maybe it's a glitch. What was that? Oh, he teleported. What? That is a really high recorder. Here. Now he'll probably come after me. Oh! Hi, how's it going? How's it going? How's it going? Well, guys, I gotta pause it here. Thanks for watching. Please let me know if you got what? Come on, I was doing an outro. You can't just leave me like that. Come back here, you coward. Look at him. He's just hiding behind that tree. He's just sitting there behind that tree. Why am I still blurring up? Even when I can't even see him? Oh, frick. You know what? I'm probably gonna die. It's probably gonna jump scare me so hard that I'll die in real life. Why's my heart beating so fast? Oh my god. I need one of those, like, you know, heartbeat monitors. What is it? What is it? It's anything. I don't know where it is. Please don't kill me. I'm only an innocent little boy. Like 89,000. Oh my god, I can hear him. Oh!